guys, this is Mark. I'm showing off my 1996 Lexus LX450, which is the 80 series Land Cruiser that Toyota had rebranded for their Lexus division. It's a 1986, it's 2019, so this thing's 23 years old. I added a stereo, pulled out the CD player, CD changer speaker, and I can talk about this console a little bit, how I changed it. But just for the sake of the stereo, I'm going to show how I put in, a reverse camera on the rear license plate. See that? Put in a front license plate. Oh, I'm sorry, this is DVR. That's the DVR that's above the mirror there, along with my microphone I clipped onto it. And then the front license plate camera is right next to it. It's picking up the signal. And because of gesture control, I can cycle between that and the menu, turn it back on. And then with those similar gestures, you can actually adjust volume, stuff like that. It has your normal Bluetooth music, radio, all that jazz, Google Maps. I'm using it mostly just to stream stuff, and I like the camera option, so that's why I went for this. I won't get it super in-depth in all the different things it can do. But I actually pulled the USB power to my center console. This is actually a Land Cruiser console that I adapted, and then tied in the USB stuff to my coin options here. What I did lose in this process was the antenna. Even though there's a cord for it, I don't have up down. I know guys will manually do that. The cup holder option covers that a little bit, but not bad if you put that in. Okay, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. All right, good luck with your Land Cruiser.